No celebration is complete without balloons. But the worst part about balloons is
blowing them up until we found this machine.
Yes.
Today we're going to be going over what's in the box, how much it costs, and how much time it could really save you. Let's get started.
We picked up the 73005 model. In the box includes the machine, instructions, 2 balloon tie tools, as well as 2 pump nozzles. The machine's really nice. It is quite portable. It includes the side compartment for the cord so you can keep that tucked in and nice and tidy with the machine. It also has 2 spots on the top that you can secure the nozzles to, keeping everything all together.
Let's go over cost. The version that we bought is a dual nozzle pump that we got on Amazon for $16. We did a little research for you in case you need to find one in a pinch and found several versions in local stores in our neighborhood. We found 2 versions that are single nozzle models at Walmart and Target. Both of those were over $20 in store.
The first nozzle is your continuous air pump option that you can use by flipping the switch. The other option is your manual pump that you can use by pushing down on the nozzle. To secure the adapter, simply screw that onto the top of the nozzle. Place the opening of the balloon over the nozzle and push down to activate the pump. Once the balloon is your desired size, slowly remove it from the nozzle, pinching it close while you tie the balloon. To use the balloon tie tool, place your index finger and middle finger through the hole. Then place the opening of the balloon between your middle finger and your ring finger. Stretch that out to make a full circle around the notch of the balloon tool. You'll then push the end of the balloon through the opening, pull it through to create a knot in your balloon.
All right, time test number 1 is that we're going to race to see who can blow up 3 balloons faster. Me using the pump or him doing it himself. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go. You're really fast.
I'm good at this. I would definitely be out of breath if it was more than 3.
I don't think it's fair because he has bigger hands than me and he can tie faster. But I would say that's an interesting experiment because of the fact that really it didn't save that much extra time.
Okay, this is time test number 2, and we have 25 balloons here, and I'm going to blow them up at an average pace with this machine, and we're going to see how long it takes. That way you can get a good, fair estimate on how long it will probably take you as well. So let's get ready and start the timer. That one came all the way back. Woo, you have to give me another one. I'm the last one.
And 32 seconds.
Okay, so the question is this machine worth it? What do you think?
I think definitely, especially if you're going to be blowing up a lot of balloons. Like if you are doing a balloon arch decor piece or you're trying to blow up a whole house full of balloons, this is definitely going to be worth that money. Also, if you're trying to blow them up fast while saving your breath, this is definitely going to be worth it. This is going to save you from passing out.
Definitely.
And then the last thing is if you do use balloons a lot for like your holiday decor, parties, and you can get multiple uses out of this machine, definitely worth the $16 to be able to use it over and over again. What do you think?
I fully agree with all of that. I would say the only cases in which you wouldn't want to buy this machine is if you're only blowing up a few balloons, like let's say like 20 balloons or less for just like a one-off event, then yes, you can skip it. Also, the machine is really loud, so if you're trying to be stealthy, like, I don't know, blowing them up in your house while your kid's asleep for his birthday, then you may want to skip it for that reason, because it is definitely a loud machine. But other than that, it's great. Honestly, I blew up 150 balloons with this, and I'm glad I had it. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and leave us a like down below. If you're interested in more holiday or party related resources, then check out the videos popping up on the screen now. Join us in making every day a holiday by subscribing now.